Hello ladies, and welcome back to rateddher. I'm so excited because this is truly the most requested unofficial living room and kitchen fall tour. I'm going to show you a little bit of tips and tricks on how I get my little apartment ready for fall, and I hope you ladies learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, like and comment, as well as follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Stay tuned. So this is a bookshelf. I actually purchased 2 of them from Walmart. And don't sleep on Walmart. Walmart really has great deals, especially online. 2 bookshelves are maybe like $40, and they were really easy to put together. And I love how they just kind of make this dual wall kind of like a little statement piece. This piece right here, these 2 little kettle lights I purchased from Hobby Lobby, which I love Hobby Lobby, guys. And definitely check out Hobby Lobby for home decor because they always are having a 50% off deal. Those are 50% off, as well as this cute little count your blessing sign was like 40% off, which I think is a really great deal. And I have to shout out my little pumpkin spice and everything nice. Even though I'm not a pumpkin gal, I thought it was really cute. I got it from Target for $1 in their little, section when you first come in. And I thought it was definitely a great add-in to add in my little space. Okay, so we're gonna move on to my little semi-gallery wall. Because it's just me and Carmen that lives here, I wanted to definitely have something that showcased, just our different memories and things that we've done together. Me and Carmen love to dress up and take pictures, dress alike and take pictures. So this is our way to kind of show homage to that, and this is just a fun wall. I purchased all of the frames from the dollar store, ladies. All of the frames came from the dollar store, and as you can see, they're just different frames, and I actually got the pictures blown up at Walgreens. They were maybe like 20 cents, and just did a different variety of sizes, and I love it. So this is another, my little bench. My apartment is not super big, so I love to have extra seating kind of stapled throughout the house, and this is an option for people to kind of move around in front of the TV or move by the the island and talk. And I purchased that again from Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off, and I absolutely love it. And my cute little Hello Fall pillow was from Target. So we're gonna move on to my next bookshelf, and I love this same concept as the other one. And I just love my little tea kettle light, my little situation right here that was purchased from Burlington. And I think so many people just forget about Burlington, but they have a really nice, good home decor that is affordable, and I absolutely loved it. This was purchased from Burlington, that was purchased from Burlington, that was purchased from Burlington, so I really love it. And I don't know if you guys noticed my little grateful pumpkin right there that was purchased from Hobby Lobby for, again, 40%. So I love marble, guys. I absolutely think it's so cute, and I found this entire set at Target. So it comes with this spoon holder. I have a coffee mug stand that my mommy bought for me and my paper towel holder. But anyway, these were actually purchased from Nordstrom's Rack, and I think they're so cute. They're pink and gold, and they came with a big one, and they came with a little baby one. I really don't use them. They're really just here just to be cute. This is the one that I actually use, which it was purchased from Target. Those are my little cute ones. And I don't know if you guys know, but my mom has a printing company, and I actually found these little stands from Target for $1, and we found these glasses from the dollar store for $1. And I was like, let's jazz them up a little bit. So I'm like, let's put a whole bunch of feminine stuff on there, girl power, black girl magic, all that stuff. So my mom actually printed girl power and feminist, and it's another one over here in gold. This is my little tea. I kind of sort of like tea sometimes, and this was purchased from Home Goods, and I think it's so cute. It's currently no tea in here, but oh, it is some tea. My mom must have did that, y'all. But yeah, I think it's so cute, and I love it. My salt and pepper shaker, which are merely for decorations, came from Z Gallery, and I thought it fit perfectly. And my measuring spools, which I use all the time, one little cute thing, and I haven't hung it up yet, but it's my press for champagne, which I think is so cute. And it came from Michael's, and I'm just trying to figure out a place to put it because I just think it's so cute and it matches so well with the decor. So if you guys see a cute little place where I can put it, definitely, put it in the comments and let me know so I can hang it up. So on this side of the kitchen, it's just more stuff to cook with. This is my little coffee and sugar. I don't drink coffee, but I know people like coffee, so this is some like what you call an instant coffee. For when people come over, they drink it. I actually purchased this from Bath and Body Works, and like I said, this is another fun and easy little thing that you could do to throw in fall. And this was only $5, and it actually is holding cranberry woods, which is such an amazing fall smell. Definitely check it out. Like I said, this is my marble paper towel holder, my little cantaloupe. She's getting right so that I can cut her and eat her. My Hello Gorgeous, and this is another one of the glasses that my mom did, and of course it is our sign for just feminism and everything that is womanly. And this is my little pink mixer. More pictures of me and Carmen, and my mug stand, which I absolutely love because they're all just dope mugs. Hashtag mom life and just a girl ready to conquer the world. And there's some other cute ones over there as well. This is my desk area. I'm still searching for a perfect chair. I'm gonna tell y'all a real quick story. My mom had found me a blue and gold chair, y'all, at Home Goods. I'm like, okay, we gonna go back next week. We gonna get the chair. Y'all, it was gone. So to me, once you see it at Home Goods, go get it right then, because if you don't, you're gonna be feeling like me, just real crazy that I missed out on such an amazing, beautiful chair, and it was like under $100. And that just, it hurt my feelings just thinking about it. But anyway, this is where I come and do my work, check emails, edit, blog posts, whatever I'm doing to build my brand. This is where I come and do it at. It just has like some inspirational things on it. Dream a little bigger, dream big. That's the motto. I was in Voyage ATL. Shout out to your girl, woo woo. And this is just a little, I guess, print that they sent to us. And my little pink and gold little globe that I got from Hobby Lobby. Another piece for 50% off. And actually, I want to give you guys a fun fact. So everything that you see on this desk that's gold was once silver. And because I really didn't want to use silver in the desk area because I knew it was in the kitchen and everything in the living room is pink and gold, I said, I'm just going to spray paint it. So everything that you see gold on the desk was just spray painted. It was once silver. I went outside, I spray painted it, gave it about 2 or 3 coats. And I mean, it looks just like it did. Just looks just like the one I was going to purchase in Target. And I think this alone was maybe like $30. So I think that's another way to kind of, you know, take your old pieces and recreate them and make them, you know, alive again to fit into whatever space that you have for fall, for winter, for whatever season you're going into. And the TV stand was purchased from Wayfair. And I thought it was cute and it fit the space. It's not too big, not too wide. I think it's perfect with the TV. The TV is a 55-inch, so I think it goes perfect with the TV. Excuse me, I love that it has little cubbies in it that you can kind of add little accent things in it. And those mostly came from the dollar store. The dollar store, Home Goods, Burlington, and Ross. Another way that I incorporated the season of fall is my little thankful situation right here. This thankful sign was a must-have when I saw it at Home Goods. It's marble and it's gold. So it was like, come home with me, baby, come home with me. And it was under $15, like, and it's real marble, not play marble, it's real marble. And those 2 pumpkins were purchased from Home Goods, and I just kind of mixed them up a little bit. I didn't want the same pumpkin, I kind of wanted to give it a little contrast, but still that white and gold. Those 2 vases were purchased from Home Goods, and the way that I kind of incorporated this fall and am incorporating it, because I still have a few things I want to add. I added some burgundy flowers and these gold flowers that I purchased from Michael's. And I think it really gives the vases a little bit of a pop versus just the white, and it really kind of adds that richness that the fall season brings. Now this little baby right here is from Home Goods, and you guys are going to laugh because you really think that it legit comes like this. But it's out. This is actually a plant that I got from Home Goods, and it was 50% off. I'm sorry, Michael's, and it was 50% off. And literally all I did was pop it in there, and now it legit looked like I bought it like that, and I did not. I think that was up under 20, and the plant was maybe like $8.99. So see, ladies, you can make it work. You can make stuff look expensive and chic, you know, without breaking the bank. I absolutely love is this pink rug. It really just ties the room together, and it was purchased from Ross, and it was only 50 bucks. And I think it's so cute. It's not too big, not too small, and it really ties that blush color in together. My table was purchased from Wayfair. And a funny story about this table is when I took it out the box and put it together, it was a lot smaller than what the pictures look. But I said, you know what, I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it do what it do, because your girl know how to make it do what it do. And I think it comes together perfect. Like, again, I love the little cubbies that you can kind of add little accent pieces to really draw it out. And as you can see, that white and gold bowl I purchased from Ross, the little, I don't know what you call those things. I don't know. They just smell like potpourri. Those are actually purchased from Ross too. And I am a candle, you know what, like I love candles. So I thought that these were so cute. They were only $3.50 at Bath & Body Works. And I really think that when you put it on top of your candle, it really just lights up the room and makes it feel so cozy and warm and fall-like. My favorite candle of life from Bath & Body Works is Rose Water and Ivy. If you have not checked it out, do so right now. This candle is bomb.com, y'all. So since I live in an apartment, space is, you know, not as much as if I lived in a home. So I wanted to maximize my space. So instead of me getting a love seat and a sofa, I opted for 2 chairs that kind of would tie in the color scheme. These chairs were purchased from Amazon, y'all, and they were like 2 for $30, which I think is an amazing price. Downfall, they're not the most comfortable, but I kind of feel like, you know, if you done had a glass of wine or two, can you really tell if the chair is comfortable or not? Not really, you know. And so I think they're perfect, and I think they fit the space so lovely. Shout out to the Girl Boss pillows. These were actually purchased from Target, and I think these fit perfectly. Yeah, I was a little sad because it has silver instead of gold, but I'm like, what the heck? I still think it works perfectly in this space and adds a little bit of an essence and ties back in that blue into the space. Fun fact about this table, I purchased the table from Ross, ladies. And the funny thing about it, it was wood at the top. And I'm like, oh, that wood just, I don't like it. So, and I wanted to tie in that marble effect. So I actually went and got some contact paper off of Amazon, an X-Acto knife, and covered the table. And it literally looks like I bought it like that when I didn't. And why I put the vase right there is because it has a line to kind of where I met the 2 papers together. And so to kind of mask that line, I just put a vase on top of there, put a flower in there, and boom. There you have it. And that vase was purchased from Burlington. Another great find at Burlington. And it was under $20. This is my wall of queendom. I absolutely love this gallery wall situation. My mom, like I said, is a printer. And she's dope at what she does. So I found these images on Pinterest. And they were black and white and red and da-da-da. And so I'm like, mama, let's make them gold. So she actually cut all these images out in gold. And we put them on canvases and literally put them inside of a picture frame. So that's a picture frame. First, that's a piece of canvas, just a regular canvas that you get from Michael's. We actually had to adhere the pictures onto the canvas and put it inside of a picture frame. And I think it is so freaking dope. Like, it's everything that girl power should be. I love that it represents Black girl magic and femininity and womanhood, and I absolutely love it. And I want to add kind of like some little DIY art pieces in there. So I took some more canvases, took some gold paint and some blush paint, just let my brush do what it may, and add here some different poems by Maya Angelou and another poem that I found on Pinterest, and made those 2 canvases. And I think they're doper than dope than dope. And you guys already see my couch. Pretty simple, just a blue couch. I purchased it from American Signature. I love it. It's super comfortable. It's dark, so if my child is clumsy, if she spills something on it, you can't see it. She's already spilled something on the rug and on the sofa. You can't even tell. And I absolutely love it. It's super comfortable. We come in here, we watch TV all the time, and we just love it. And my lamp in the corner came from Target, and it's marble at the bottom, gold to fit that whole entire theme. And yeah, oh, and one more thing, it's my blanket basket. I think these are so important to have by your couch. My apartment is so cold. Like, guys, it's freezing even when I turn it up. Like, it's so cold, y'all, and I don't know why I can't get it to be uncold. So my blanket basket comes in handy when me and Carmen are sitting on the couch watching movies and watching TV, and it has a blanket for her, which is a little black and pink unicorn blanket, and a blanket for me, which is the blush blanket. And I got the basket from Target for $20. And ladies, as you can see, it doesn't take much to get your space ready for fall. I'm still adding, taking things away, and truly getting it right for the season, but I'm definitely excited to welcome some fun new events for this season and to just make my apartment a little bit more cozy. So if you have any ideas or some things that you're doing to your space, don't forget to share. For you, for me, for she, for her. Rated her.